Happy Thursday morning, everyone. Ito this video, napakaganda ng panahon. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman. Nakabilad ng palay ang aming mother. So, ayan. Super ganda. Fresh na paligid. So, for today's video, yung baby ko nanonood ng, ba't ganun? Ma'am Rachel. Yan. So, ayan ang baby ko. Oh. Ayan. Kinagaya si Ma'am Rachel. Diba? Sarap buhay. Sarap maging bata. So, yun lang guys. Good morning everyone. Thank you for watching.